Rehab Addict is a popular television series that originally aired on DIY Network and later on HGTV. The show primarily takes place in the city of Detroit, Michigan, and it's known for its unique focus on home renovation and restoration. Hosted by Nicole Curtis, Rehab Addict follows her as she tackles the revitalization of historic and often neglected homes in Detroit. The show is set against the backdrop of this vibrant and diverse city, which has a rich architectural history but has also faced economic challenges over the years. Nicole Curtis has a deep appreciation for historic homes and a passion for preserving their original charm and character. She often takes on properties that are in serious disrepair and brings them back to life with meticulous attention to detail. From stripping away layers of neglect to uncovering hidden architectural gems, Nicole's work showcases the beauty of Detroit's historic neighborhoods. Throughout the series, viewers get a glimpse of the unique challenges and rewards of rehabilitating homes in a city with such a storied past. Detroit's architecture spans various styles, from Victorian to Craftsman, and Nicole's projects often involve extensive restoration work to ensure that these homes can shine once again. Rehab Addict doesn't just focus on the physical transformation of these houses. It also highlights the stories behind them and the communities they're a part of. Nicole's dedication to preserving the city's history and creating beautiful, functional homes resonates with many viewers. In summary, Rehab Addict takes place in the vibrant city of Detroit, Michigan, where Nicole Curtis works her magic to restore historic homes to their former glory. The show's unique blend of home renovation and preservation, set against the backdrop of Detroit's architectural heritage, has made it a favorite among fans of both DIY and historic preservation.
Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.